What the literal I look okay today. I want to make cooking my hobby. That's an expensive hobby though. Gym time, baby. Gym time. I'm literally so tired. Bro, the thought of completing this set is giving me physical pain. Oh well, it wasn't that bad. Bruh, I literally need to pick a struggle in life. The gym is probably only one of the places that gives me happiness. I should probably go to therapy. I feel like there are all these people in my life, but I don't think that they want me in their lives. Wait, is the air fryer still plugged in? No, it's okay, I unplugged it. I cannot tell you why I think the gym is fun. I just think it is. Bruh, who is you? Who are you talking to? Are you like a talk show? Bruh, what on earth? 정신 차려. I have no personality. I do the same thing every day. Man, what a boring ass life. I have no idea what my body looks like anymore. Like, is that me? I have no clue. Bro, I swear on God, I hate the South. It is so hot outside for no apparent reason. Why is the sun ray so strong, huh? Oh my God. I will never think I'm pretty. And that's so sad. I love puzzles. Fuck. Dumbass fucking butt. What in the... I screw myself over in so many ways. The least I can do is drink decaf coffee. But decaf isn't even that good. Man, life is hard. I wish I was skinnier. Dude, the way I can feel my stomach. Anna, that's so toxic. Stop. Stop. Too much cream. Too much cream. That's what she said. Dude, I'm so lame. Who plays puzzles for fun? Dude, that... Okay, wait. Toxic. I like what I like, and there's nothing wrong with that. I hate showering. I wish it wasn't necessary. What a waste of water. I think if I didn't have makeup, I'd be so sad. Bro, the fact that I watch Amberlynn read proves my struggles in life. Okay, Anna, don't fuck it up. Don't slow. Why is this so nerve-wracking? Fuck me. Fuck. Shit. Fuck. I fucked it up. Oh, that's not even. That's okay. I'm so pretty. I have no patience. Oh my God. What up, though? It's kind of lonely here. Am I wasting my life away?